Hi everyone, it's Dr. Johnson coming to you live from TruSalus, sending you a quick reminder about upcoming seminars next week. We want to make sure that you start off 2018 on the right foot. Listen, I challenge you to show up next week with a big hairy health goal or two and a dose of accountability. You do that and our team is going to handle the rest. We are going to share with you information and strategies you have not heard before, you have not considered. These are the missing pieces. We're going to show you how to put this together, the right roadmap. When you do this, you will accomplish your short-term goals in 2018, and you'll do it in a sustainable fashion so that you can have longevity for a lifetime, health for a lifetime. Show up next week, Wednesday, 6:30 p.m., Saturday, 11:30 a.m. I will see you there. Be ready. I'm gonna go check on the True Athletes. We'll see you next week.